This is Driving with the Miles. If you don't know me already, I'm a certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been doing driver's education about 21 years. So we're in a parking lot. I'm going to talk about the importance of backing up. So it's a day before the holiday, so I'm backing up slowly. Whenever you back up, you've got to look out your back window. You got to pivot your head left and right. There are a lot of cars, so it's called showing the car. So I'm just going to continue to back up, and I'm looking, going very slow. There are a lot of cars around here, so backing up is a very important skill. So I've got my head back on the swivel and I'm looking. You always have to look around and you always have to be patient. People get very impatient, so I'm going to go up to the edge because they have a stop sign and we are the secondary road. You want to look for a gap, and I've talked about this in my other videos. You find your gap, and if it's safe, you get into that gap. So I got into the gap, which is the first open lane. So I'm scanning, I'm taking my time, my foot's off the gas. I'm gonna go ahead and make a lane change to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Your DMV tester or road tester will look for you to have really smooth, nice lane changings. So I'm taking my time. The weather is bad. On your road test, it's about 45 minutes long. Because of COVID, they've reduced some of the routes that you're going to have to do, some of the maneuvers you're going to have to do. How do I know this? I've talked to testers. I've talked to my students who've taken the test, all of which have done great. Thank you very much. So the light has just turned green, but green does not mean go. Green means look, scan, and you want to be patient. If you've seen my other content before, and you should already be subscribed, you know that you have to keep space. You don't want to tailgate cars. You don't want to be on top of vehicles. The speed limit here is 50, but the flow is about 35 miles an hour. So you want to take your time. You want to scan. The holidays are a very emotional time. A lot of people have not been able to make it. God bless their souls. So you want to drive at a speed that is safe and reasonable and be mindful of others. So I'm at about 47 miles an hour. The speed limit here is 50. I do have cars tailgating me. So on your DMV test or road test, you have to drive under the speed limit. This is super important. So you want to drive under the speed limit. You want to take your time. You want to be patient. So I'm at about 46 miles an hour. I'm in the middle lane. The middle lane is the smooth lane. The lane to the right is for slower moving traffic. The lane to the left is for faster moving traffic. You can see cars zipping in and out. On your DMV test or road test, you want to stay smooth. You want to get to a really smooth, constant speed. And you want to show your DMV tester or road tester that you have control of the vehicle. No one is in a rush. No one is in a hurry. When you go in there to register for your time slot, that is your time. Don't rush. Be patient, because if you make a mistake and you make too many, you can automatically fail the test, and no one wants that. So I'm maintaining good speed control. I'm really smooth and easy. And if you really look at it, and if you drive at the speed limit or a little below, you're going to be pretty much where other drivers are at the same point in time, even though they're speeding, zipping in and out of traffic. So every 12 to 15 seconds, you want to check your mirrors, and you want to look behind you. I'm clear on the right. I have space on the left, so I'm just taking my time. The middle lane is the smooth lane. It's no sense in me cutting up to the left lane to try to go a couple miles an hour faster. It's not worth it. It's dangerous because the weather conditions are getting worse, and you just want to take your time and be smooth. Your DMV tester or road tester will adjust the route based upon what they need you to do and what you need to do. So I'm going to make a lane change to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Once you're in the lane, you cancel your blinker, you look, you check. That was a really nice smooth lane change. So I'm just taking my time and being smooth. In rain like this, you just want to have your wipers on a medium speed. You want to have your windows slightly warm so they don't fog up, and you just want to take your time. So I'm smooth, I'm keeping space, and it's no sense in trying to rush anywhere because this will cause accidents. And at the state that I'm in, if you rear end someone, you're at fault. And then that causes automatic failure. So you just want to take your time and be smooth. So I've demonstrated some really good lane changes. I've demonstrated good speed control, being safe and reasonable. If you haven't done so, you need to subscribe to my channel. It's called Driving with Miles. I'm a state certified instructor, and you're getting great content and great information. If you have comments or questions, please put them down there. Please like, please share. God bless you and thank you. I look forward to doing the next video. Goodbye.